Good day guys, welcome to Senscape. Kilala niyo ba to si Kiko Barzaga, yung batang congressman na walang takot na binabatikos niya yung mga kasamahan niya, lalo na yung House Speaker nila na si Romualdez. Kaya ngayon, gusto siya ngayong ipatanggal. At eto pa, inakusahan pa siya na may mental health problem. Pero panoorin niyo yung interview sa kanya ng mga media at kayong humusga kung talagang may mental health problem siya. Kasi para sa akin, consistent naman siya. At smart siya smart siya sumagot sa mga tinatanong sa kanya. Tsaka meron pa isang video may napanood akong video na galing naman sa interview kay Professor Malotikia. Panoorin nyo yung comment niya dito sa batang to. Actually, saludo siya dito sa batang to kasi consistent nga siya at logical. Ang sabi niya dito, sinasabi nilang hindi normal na nagawain yung ginagawa ng batang to. Hindi normal na sa congressman. Ano ba ang normal sa congressman? Yung magnakaw? Diba? Panoorin natin to, guys.
Well, as I've said, mental health accusations, when you are not a mental health professional or even like any sort of medical professional, is very unprofessional. So let's just say that he's free to think whatever he wants. I still deeply respect him, though I think that he is wrong in saying that.
Pero are you unwell, Kong? Are you unwell, Kong?
I do not believe that I'm unwell. I've not been diagnosed of any serious mental conditions that could lead me to be unable to be fit for service.
Sir, ano bang reason lang o ano bang factor lang para mag-stop kayo daw sa pag-post?
What do you mean?
Anong pwedeng mangyari just for you to stop posting?
I will stop posting when they declare our democratic right to criticize our government as unconstitutional and illegal. That's what will happen. As long as I have the democratic right to criticize this government, I will continue speaking out against the corruption that I see.
Pero first, hindi Congressman po, hindi naman tungkol sa yung sinasabi niyo, hindi naman siya about the criticism, rather the actions that are unbecoming of a lawmaker. Yung po yung sinasabi niyo.
Well, it's always a matter of interpretation. The House Ethics Committee will decide whether or not my actions were unbecoming of a lawmaker.
Question lang, because it was also pointed out by DS Puno na you could have said it in a plenary, in a privilege speech. Do you have like any scheduled plan for your speech?
Well, actually, last week I planned to have a privilege speech about the issue before I openly spoke out against Romualdez, but Majority Leader Sandro Marcos advised me not to do so because there's a possibility of complaint being filed in the House Ethics Committee if I were to make a privilege speech against that.
Are you willing to submit any medical records to prove that you're well? Kasi ang sabi nila kahapon, the members of the you are unwell and parang you're not behaving.
Medical records? Well, firstly, medical records are purely confidential. So unless if there is a court order for me to submit a medical records once I am questioned of my sanity and my ability to properly serve the people of my district, then I will submit a medical record.
But are you willing to voluntarily give this?
That will set a bad precedence if we do that, because anyone who is accused of having a mental health condition must now present their medical health records. That's not the type of country that we want to make. It's not the type of system we want to make, because anyone could just keep calling someone mentally unfit or unwell, and then it will force that person to have to publicize all of their medical conditions.
Will you abide with the Ethics Committee's decision just in case?
Yes, what I've said, I'm willing to lose my position as a House representative if the Ethics Committee deems it necessary and just.
Sir, may mga allegations lang din, or mga insinuations na may mga kumukumpas daw sa inyo or may mga tao daw na nagsusulsol sa inyo. Your reaction to that, Congressman?
Who do you believe those people are? That's my question first. Just insinuations. No, I'm completely acting out of my own volition, so please do not involve my family anymore. Kasi nadadami din si Mayor Jenny at yung kapatid ko si Vice Mayor Ted Barzaga. And hopefully, to ease their stress and to ease their tensions, I want to say that everything is my actions. The Mayor and the Vice Mayor has also cautioned me not to push through with this, with my campaign against Martin Romualdez.
Ito na pinaratangan na may problema daw sa mental health, tapos dininay naman niya, Prof.
Alam mo, Admar, hindi nyo napupuna. Tuwing merong kongresista na tatayo at question sa liderato, nagkakaroon ng demolition job sa kanya. Nagsimula yan kay Congressman Chanco, Congressman Benitez, lahat na kumokontra sa liderato ng House of Representatives, may demolition job. Kaya nga sabi ko, kailangan baklasin rin yung appendages ng operation ni Speaker Martin Romualdez. Ngayon, kay Congressman Barzaga, ako ay sumasaludo dun sa bata. Kasi it took a Benjamin of the House to raise the issue. Simple lang, ano bang kasalanan niya? Ang kasalanan niya magsalita, ang kasalanan niya magsabi ng katotohanan, ang kasalanan niya magmiyaw-miyaw, hindi daw yun tamang behavior ng isang kongresista. So ang tanong ko dun sa humuhusga, ano ba ang tamang behavior? Yung magnakaw ka? Yung mag-insert ka? Yung you gain advantage? May conflict of interest ka? So ako, at ang biro mo, ang sinasabi ng may mental health issue yung bata. Pero kaya ako sumasaludo sa kanya kasi consistent eh. At may logical ang kanyang reasoning kung bakit niya yun ginagawa. Tama ba? Walang huhusga dyan, kundi ang kanyang mga constituent. Kung ang huhusga lamang ay colleagues niya, abay tama rin, biro mong ilalagay sa ethics, ang daming ethical questions dyan. Doon na lamang sa 67 congressman contractors, no? Hindi ba yon may ethical issues? Hindi ba may ethical issues yung mga congressman na nagde-defend sa kanilang kapwa-congressman? Hindi ba may ethical issues yung party list na grupo na nagde-depende sa kanilang mga kasamahan sa party list? So let's call a spade a spade. Ano ang maling ginawa ni Congressman Barzaga? Magsalita, may karapatan ng tao. Magsabi ng direct contrast, may karapatan rin yung tao. Hindi naman siya nanggugulo. Kung sa tingin ng mga mas nakakantandang henerasyon na pambabastos yun, sa tingin ko, they are losing track of the Generation Z. Bakit click na click si Congressman Barzaga? Because he's telling the naked truth in a very creative manner. Hindi naman siya nanggugulo. So, kung considering, at siya'y nag-resign, bago niya yan sinabi lahat. Diba? Saan ka nakakitang kongresista, first-termer, nag-resign sa partido niya? Dahil hindi niya gusto ang nangyayari at ginagawa ni Speaker Romualdez. Mali ba yun? Yung iba dyan, hindi nga nagre-resign. Umipirma with the blanket authority dahil natatakot mawalan ng kanilang benepisyo. So, out of the 314 legislators, if there is only one Kiko Barzaga, nung una ko narinig yan, sabi ko, there is hope in the country.
Opo, and meron pang
At eto pa, bagong balita. Totoo kaya tong breaking news sa post ni Kiko? Na may bago daw House Speaker, si Boji D. At close friend daw ni Martin. Kayo na guys ang mag-isip. Well, thank you for watching.